Yes, welcome. Let's discuss the exact function in Excel. As the name says, exact compares two text strings and returns true if they are exactly same. When I mean exactly, I want to focus on the aspect that exact is case sensitive. Let's look how this function works. Equal to exact. There are two text strings here. First string is word and second is also word. Let's see if this compares. So I have given for exact, I have transferred first string here, connected B8 and C8. It has written true value, means these two strings are exactly same. What do you think will happen in this case? Equal to exact, I link it to this. Both are word only, W-O-R-D. This will result into a false. Why? Because exact function is case sensitive and here we have W in capital case. So these two do not match. Let's look at the last strings as well. Word, comma word. False, because there is a space in between and hence they do not match exactly. We have seen that equal to function can also be used to do this kind of operation. So I have added a section where how we compare exact with equal to. Let's see the difference. First I will do equal to match the strings. So is this equal to this? See the linking, the formula here. Equal to returns true. How about this now? Word. I press enter. It returns true. So equal to is not case sensitive, whereas exact is case sensitive. So bear in mind, wherever you need a case sensitive comparison of string, use exact function.